Und willkommen zu Part 9, glaube ich mittlerweile, oder? 10? Keine Ahnung. Mit eurem Kumpel, dem Dude, und dem Mindfuck-Spiel, von das ich jetzt schon mehr als einmal Kopfweh bekommen habe. The STANLEY PARABLE. Yeah. Genau. Ja, und nachdem wir jetzt dieses confusing Ending gehabt haben und alles und so und ja, gehe ich jetzt einfach mal wieder los.
All of his co-workers were gone. What could it mean?
Ja.
Stanley decided to go to the meeting room. Perhaps he had simply missed a memo.
Oh.
When Stanley came to a set of 2 open doors, he entered the door on his left.
Nö. Scheinbar haben wir das Ende jetzt wirklich überstanden, ne? Ja, dann mache ich halt das, was ich vorhatte zu machen.
This was not the correct way to the meeting room, and Stanley knew it perfectly well. Perhaps he wanted to stop by the employee lounge first, just to admire it.
Klar.
The lounge was sublime, a work of art. What was it about this room that called so deeply and so personally to Stanley? Its grace, its subtle charm? No. Stanley knew it was something deeper, something darker.
Darker. Ja.
But eager to get back to business, Stanley took the first open door on his left.
Na gut. Mach ich das aber.
And so he detoured through the maintenance section, walked straight ahead to the opposite door, and got back on track.
Oh, was ist jetzt wohl hier? Zu. Okay.
Yet there was not a single person here either.
Nope.
Feeling a wave of disbelief, Stanley decided to go up to his boss's office, hoping he might find an answer there.
Oh, rest in peace, Franz. Office party! Yay! Ja. Gut.
Coming to a staircase, Stanley walked upstairs to his boss's office.
Okay. Der Computer ist ja aus! Arbeiten tut ihr kein Schwein, oder? Da will ich auch rein.
Stepping into his manager's office, Stanley was once again stunned to discover not an indication of any human life. Shocked, unraveled, Stanley wondered in disbelief who orchestrated this. What dark secret was being held from him? What he could not have known was that the keypad behind the boss's desk guarded the terrible truth that his boss had been keeping from him. And so the boss had assigned it an extra secret PIN number. 2845. But of course, Stanley couldn't possibly have known this.
Wie? 2, 8, 4, 5.
Yet incredibly, by simply pushing random buttons on the keypad, Stanley happened to input the correct code by sheer luck. Amazing. He stepped into the newly opened passageway.
Ja, aber offensichtlich haben wir dieses confusing Ende wirklich hinter uns gebracht. Ja, das war auch schon ganz schön confusing, ne? Ja.
Descending deeper into the building, Stanley
Wenn ich jetzt so wüsste, was ich
realized
unten machen soll.
it was a stirring of emotion in his chest, as though he felt more free to think for himself, to question the nature of his job. Why did he feel this now, when for years it had never occurred to him? This question would not go unanswered for long.
Ja. Was ich auch immer jetzt machen werde.
Ah
ja!
Mind control facility.
Ich entsinne mich, dass ich letztes Mal da lang gegangen bin. Deswegen gehe ich jetzt Eskappe! Hehehe.
Although this passageway had the word escape written on it, The truth was that at the end of this hall, Stanley would meet his violent death.
Was? Nein! Der wird mich doch nicht umbringen. Nein, der ist cool. Der ist cool, ja?
The door behind him was not shut. Stanley still had every opportunity to turn around and get back on track.
Nein! Ich gehe lang. Was auch immer passieren wird.
At this point, Stanley was making a conscious, concerted effort to walk forward and willingly confront his death.
Oh, komm schon. Oh Mann. Okay. Ah! Ah! Ladebalken. Ah. Nicht wieder erschrecken. Nicht wieder erschrecken. Nicht wieder erschrecken. Oh. Au. What the fuck?
As the machine whirred into motion and Stanley was inched closer and closer to his demise, he reflected that his life had been of no consequence whatsoever.
What?
Stanley can't see the bigger picture. He doesn't know the real story, trapped forever in his narrow vision of what this world is. Perhaps his death was of no great loss, like plucking the eyeballs from a blind man. So he resigned and willingly accepted this violent end to his brief and shallow life. Farewell, Stanley.
Oh, oh, nein, 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 nein.
Farewell, Stanley, cried the narrator, as Stanley was led helplessly into the enormous metal jaws. In a single visceral instant, Stanley was obliterated as the machine crushed every bone in his body, killing him instantly.
What? Huh. Okay. Wieso spricht jetzt eine Frau? Okay.
And yet it would be just a few minutes before Stanley would restart the game, back in his office, as alive as ever. What exactly did the narrator think he was going to accomplish?
Ich weiß es nicht. Scheiß dunkel hier drin. Oh.
When every path you can walk has been created for you long in advance, death becomes meaningless, making life the same. Do you see now? Do you see that Stanley was already dead from the moment he hit start?
Ist das jetzt so eine Art Galerie? Oh. Office Layout. Oh. The two doors. Oh, cool. Button sounds! Faszinierend! Was würde ich jetzt? Galerie. Oh, Credits. Uh-huh. Okay. Huh. The office! Oh. Warzone? Hä? A designed ending where Stanley would open end on a battlefield flying aliens. What? Fighting aliens? Oh! Their action game will become sensitive against narrative. Huh. Aha. Aha. Okay. Das hier scheint wirklich so eine Art Galerie zu sein, hä? Hm? Apartment Timer. Was? Not picking. Oh. Okay. Oh Mann! Oh Mann! Ich bin verwirrt. Oh. Exit. Aha. Ich gucke mir jetzt noch ein bisschen um. Ich weiß ja nicht mal, was ich jetzt dazu sagen soll, aber keiner was sagt. Was soll ich hier? Gut, weißt du was? Ich gehe einfach. Countdown Desk. One of the early Countdown Ending? Hat die auch noch nicht. Ha. Habt ihr das gehört? Kevin Brighting, the voice of the... Oh, okay. Okay, Exit, ich komme.
Oh, look at these two. How they wish to destroy one another. How they wish to control one another. How they both wish to be free.
Das Spiel... Soll ich das Spiel ausschalten?
Can you see? Can you see how much they need one another? No, perhaps not. Sometimes these things cannot be seen. But listen to me.
What the
You
fuck?
can still save these two. You can stop the program before they both fail. Push escape and press quit. There's no other way to beat this game. As long as you move forward, you'll be walking someone else's path.
Was?
Stop now and it'll be your only true choice. Whatever you do, choose it. Don't let time choose for you. Don't let time choose.
Okay. Hallo? 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 Muss ich jetzt das machen, was sie gesagt hat? Das Spiel neu starten? Wirklich? Okay. Das war dann wohl das Ende. Krass. Mann, wenn man sich da mal durchliest, was die alles so gesagt hat, das gibt einem irgendwie schon zu denken. Über das Spiel. Über alle Spiele, ich meine. Wow. Okay, das war dann wohl das noch verwirrendere Ende. Okay. Cut hier.